To set alarm clock on the Huawei Watch Fit 4, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you will have to go into the Huawei Health application, and from here go into the devices and select your Huawei Watch Fit 4. Alright, from here you have to scroll down, and right here you will find this option alarm. Let's tap on this one, and from here you will find all of these alarms that you have currently created, and simply there's the button to add the alarm. And from here simply set up this alarm right here. You can set up to the repeat right here when to actually make this alarm ring, and here you can set up the alarm name, and let's press OK. And on this top right corner there's the check mark. You have to press it as you are done with the setup, and here you can find this alarm. You can also turn it on and off right here. You can manage these alarms, and yeah, that is how you can set up the alarm clock.